Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a game-changing topic, how to succeed with AI tech. Let's get right into it. First up, understand the basics. AI might sound intimidating, but at its core, it's about making machines learn from data. Start with the fundamentals of machine learning and neural networks. There are tons of free resources out there like Coursera or YouTube tutorials. Dedicate some time to grasp the essentials, and you'll build a strong foundation. Next, experiment and play around. You don't have to be a coding wizard to start. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch offer user-friendly interfaces to get your hands dirty. Build simple projects like image classifiers or chatbots. The key is to get comfortable with the practical applications. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are the best learning experiences. Now let's talk about staying updated. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and staying on top of the latest trends is crucial. Follow industry leaders on Twitter, join AI forums, and subscribe to newsletters. Websites like Arxiv and Medium have cutting-edge research and articles that can broaden your perspective. Networking with like-minded enthusiasts can also spark collaborative opportunities. Lastly, apply AI to real-world problems. Look around and identify issues that AI can solve, whether it's optimizing business processes, enhancing customer service, or even personal projects. Practical application will set you apart and show tangible results of your learning. Share your projects on platforms like GitHub or your blog, and get feedback from the community. Real-world impact is what makes your AI journey truly rewarding. So, to recap, start with the basics, experiment with projects, stay updated, and apply AI to real-world problems. These steps will set you on the path to AI success. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the process. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.